baby, what? Taehoon. Oh.
What's poppin', YouTube? What's up? What's goody? How you feeling today? Good. That's great. So as you can see by the title, you are here to see how I got this beautiful install, flawless install, baby. What? Taehoon. Oh, now let me stop. But yeah, so I just want to say welcome to my channel because this is my first video. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Many more to come. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Comment down below what kind of videos you want me to see. I'm
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
gonna be doing a lot of hair videos. You know, lash tutorials. That's coming up too. So be on the lookout for that. You know, literally anything. Mostly hair and DIYs. I do everything myself. So definitely comment down below what you want to see. I definitely want to do vlogs, pranks, stuff like that. So definitely just let me know, and I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get right into the install because this, baby, it was really it. So let's just get on into it, okay? Yeah. Okay, so boom, you already know what we came here to do. Like you see it. So I got my girl right here. Okay, I gotta dye the roots a little more, but I plucked her. I dyed her jet black. And I also use the, what is it called? Crystal Clear. If you never use Crystal Clear on your wigs by Adore, I highly recommend it. Okay, it just adds that extra shine to the hair. Again, I just washed it, blow dried it, that's it. And like, yeah, we get the 30-inch bust down because you already know what time it is. Like, yeah, my birthday coming around. We got 3 days, so yeah, it was only right. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get right into it. So as you can see, I'm using the ball cap method. So I'm gonna use my Ghost Bond glue to put it around the hairline and cut it off. I use Ghost Bond instead of I used to use just free spray, but I feel like the Ghost Bond sticks better. So yeah. Oh my god, I have a really bad experience with this thing. And another video that I never uploaded because I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, but like I was supposed to start a YouTube channel a while long ago, and like I was really just bullshitting. I'm not even gonna I'm not even gonna cap. Like I was really just bullshitting. I've recorded mad videos because I literally do my hair all the time. I cannot tell you the last time I like went to somebody to get my hair done for wigs. Like I get my hair braided and stuff like that, but like when it comes to like wigs or like quick weaves, ponytails, you know, anything pretty much you can do at home, I do it at home. Like I don't know, I'm just the type of person, like if I can do it, I just do it. Like save my money, why not? For me. So yeah, like I don't know. A lot of people ask me why I don't do other people's hair because I literally just do my own. But like I don't have the patience to do other people's hair. Like even still now, like I'll do my brother's hair, like I'll braid their hair. My little brother has locks, so I'll retwist his locks, you know, like all that stuff. But when other people ask me like, okay, do my hair, it's like I'm not really trying to do that. Like I don't really want to. Dang, I should have cut my ear holes out first. But whatever. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't be feeling like doing other people's hair. I just do my own. Cause just why not? Save the point. And if I could do it, why not just do it? I'd be in the house bored anyway. Could be something to do. Yeah, let me try to cut this ear hole out real quick because I'm definitely moving too fast. Oh yeah, that's what I was getting to. I recorded a video and I was doing the same exact part, cutting my ear tabs out with this razor, and then I went just like this and sliced my freaking ear off, and it was bleeding and everything. And yeah, like I was gonna post those videos, but I actually think I still have that. I might still post that video. Comment down below if you're trying to see that. I definitely sliced the crap out of my ear trying to cut the ear hole with this little thing. I told myself I wasn't going to use it anymore, but it gets the job done. it gets the job done. I be being too rough. That's what my problem is. That's another reason why I can't do other people's hair, because when I do other people's hair, even like close friends or whatever, like they always be complaining. Oh, you're doing this too hard. Oh, you're braiding too tight. Do you want your hair done or not? Like, do you want it done or not? But anyways, that's besides the point. Let's get back to this. Let me be quiet. Okay, so now, next, I'm about to put... Actually, let me see what this looks like. I bought some new lace tint. Before I had medium dark brown, and it was like a little too light. I don't know, I didn't really like it. So I went with the dark brown one, so we're gonna see how this one looks. Let's see if I can spray it on the cap. I never really used it on here. Oh, shoot. Hold up. I don't think I need no makeup. Hold up. See, I should have wiped off the glue first, because where the glue is at, it's like lighter than the cat. But it's okay, because I'm glad I picked this up. And this oddly smells really good. I think this looks pretty good if you ask me. I'm excited. I've never really had a... Yeah, see, like that medium dark brown was definitely too light, and this is like... perfecto. I wish it wasn't so light. Like, I wish it was this color where the glue is at, but... it's okay. I think it's still about to come out a-okay. Like, this is really like, in the camera, it like, you know, the light is really dragging the color difference, but you know, y'all be knowing, y'all know, because in the mirror right here, like this right here looks marvelous, like marvelous, just marvelous. Anyways, okay, let me get some alcohol. Bam. Wipe off my edges, and then I'm gonna spray the inside of the wig, and I also I'm gonna dye the roots back black because I kind of over bleached them a little bit. So yeah. Oh, I don't think I ever talked about where this hair was from. So I believe oh, I cannot wait to put her on. Like, let me put you on real quick, and then I think I still have it. I'm recording on my phone. I was looking for my phone. I'm recording on my phone. So I'll put it probably at the end of the video, or in my intro. I'll tell you guys where the hair is from and all that stuff. So yeah, we just gonna get into this. Okay, so I sprayed the inside of the wig with the lace tint. So this is how she's looking. I think it looks pretty good. I bleached it out pretty dang well, if you ask me. I mean, it looks a little wet now, you can see, but maybe I should dry it. So I totally forgot to press record again after I started plucking my lace again. But so update, I plucked my lace and that's pretty much it. I cut my ear tabs off, and then I started gluing till I looked at the thing and realized it was not recording. I'm like, I wasn't recording this whole time. That means I definitely just looked back at the camera looking at myself and was just, so I was talking and everything. That's so not funny, but it's funny. But yeah, so here we are, girl, just to cut you up. He's just gluing this wig on. This is still the first layer, so you ain't miss much, but you about to see how I just fixed my girl up with the plucking though. I brought her, I don't know, like you know, you ever do your hair and just be so surprised at yourself and how it comes out, like, damn, I went to take and my hair shit. But like, yeah, like sometimes you just gotta go with the fucking flow, and every time I go with the flow, it comes out great. So go with the flow. Okay, that was my first layer. I'm gonna put on another layer because that was kind of thick, so I'm just gonna put one more on, and that should do the job. I'm very lazy, so I'm probably gonna have this video on for a while. Okay, so while I let this sit on here for a little bit, I'm gonna cut it first. Boom. So while we let this marinate, I'm about to go in the middle and fix the over bleached areas and everything. I should have heated at my hot comb a long time ago. Okay, so next I'm about to part my hair and to where I'm gonna wear it at. Yeah, fix this over bleached little section right here. This ever happens to you? Don't even sweat it, because like it's not even a big deal. I'm about to show you right now. It's not even, doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. I can see clearly now. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little thing in front of me right here. So the secret to getting these overplucked little areas fixed is you get you a little, what you call this? A little eyelash spoolie. And then I have this black, oh, this actually says dark brown. This is brown black. It's brown black. It's darker. So boom, I'm gonna take this Azure Plus, I don't know what this is. Yeah, semi-permanent color. I don't know why it's in brown black. I'm pretty sure I got brown black because it probably didn't have black at the time. But it looks pretty black to me. But when you I just put a little bit on the spool like this. Literally just put it all over the spoolie. And then you put it over the bleach. Not that I'm gonna do it in the mirror so I don't mess it up, but you see what I'm doing here. You also don't have to like press too hard, just lightly like brush it into the hair with the spoolie. Try not to get it on the lace. You don't want to make your lace black, but this is how you do this part. See? Just gently comb it through. Just the hairs. See? Shabam. Look at that. Look at that difference. It looks amazing. All while keeping the part intact. You're not combing too much now. But yeah, so I'm just going to put a little bit more on and then I'm going to do the other side. You can go in and do like the whole entire head, but I'm honestly lazy and I don't feel like doing that. And I'm probably wearing this in the middle part anyway. But if I do happen to want to, you know, switch it over to a middle part, whatever, just do the same thing. Wherever your part is at, just go in with a spoolie and just cover up those blonde patches like that. Okay, so we are going to take this off, take this elastic band off because it's actually hurting my motherfucking head, if we're being honest. It should hurt it very much. So I'm just going to use the flat iron one more time just to really settle this in here. And let me use some of, where's my, not 2 years ago. And that's what you call flat, baby. And that's on what? Period. Okay? Because we ain't even cut the lace off. We ain't even cut the lace off. We ain't even cut the lace off. Let's just talk about it. Let's just really talk about it because the lace is still on my head. We ain't even cut the lace off. It's giving I grew this shit out my scalp. What do you? Who? Let me relax. Let me relax. Cause it's really giving, baby. I grew this 30 inches all the way to the ass. Yeah, grew it. Sorry, Lady Martin. I just didn't want to go to Arizona. Nah. I just want to say, like, I don't know how I do it, but I do it every time. Like, no funnies. I'm not even about to flat iron this because what time is it? 2:44. It's 2:44 in the motherfucking morning. Okay, I'm not finished straightening this. I did the top though, so when I put my scarf on, it'll be good in the morning. But we finna cut this lace off and see the final product. I might do a few baby hairs, and we're gonna call it a night because yeah, we looking good. I just want to say, I told y'all invest in that. What was it called? Crystal clear. Like all I did was wash this hair and blow dry it. I have not flat ironed it, nothing. All you see was me hot comb the top of it. I have not ran a hot comb through this not one time. Not one time. I washed it, dyed it black, and then I put, it's called crystal, I'm showing you again, crystal clear. It's literally just clear. It's like a glaze. Like think of what the girls say on TikTok. Think of the nail salon putting a clear coat on top of your nails. That's basically what it's like, but for your hair. That's why it's so shiny. It still has so much, like, you know, it's not crazy looking. After I washed, I shampooed it, conditioned it, everything, like everything. So let's go on and take this lace off. I mean, cut this lace off. Oh wait, hold on. Pause. Gotta do TikTok. Okay, I already started cutting it because it was for my TikTok. But I got my full attention. I just want to say this shit looks bomb as fuck. If I do say so myself. Where is my clip? Like, yeah, I did a great job. I just want to point that out. Let me stop playing myself and use this mirror. Let's really talk about it. Let's really talk about it though. Yeah. Okay, so next up on the roster, we are going to clean up this excess glue and stuff around the edges. Then we're going to do our baby hairs, and then we are done. Benito, birthday look complete, and I just want to say, like, I bodied that. Are you dumb or are you stupid? Which one is which one? Because it gotta be either or. Either or. Pick one. Pick one. We just did that. Yeah. I just hate how it always has this little, like, no matter what I do, it always has this little white ass line on the outside. Like, it doesn't look like that right here, but it looks like that. BRB, TikTok. Okay, y'all, after 1,500 hours, this is our final look. Okay, I just want to say, I motherfucking did that, okay? Definitely did. Let's get a thumbnail. Yeah, so thanks for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your girls who want to see how to get a flawless install right from the cribbity crib, okay? So yeah, again, thanks for tuning in with your girls. See you in the next video. Bye.
You gon' treat me like I'm see-through. 7 days a week, I wanna